getting started on the keto diet. So, you're ready for a new and improved you, right? There are so many wonderful benefits to the ketogenic diet. You can expect many positive changes, both physical and mental. So, let's not delay and get the journey started. In this journey, first and foremost, you should clear your pantry. We're sure you have plenty of willpower, but there is no need to confront a kitchen filled with tempting sugars and carbohydrates. Make a clean sweep and pack the offending items in a box, then donate the loot to a perhaps needy neighbor. If you have family, try to get them involved. If they refuse to refrain from eating carbs and sugar, at least insist they do so away from home. It's a fair request. Weigh yourself. The keto diet does not require you to live by the tyranny of the scale. As a matter of fact, as you build up healthy muscles, you might notice a slight initial gain. That's great, so don't worry. You should, however, have an idea of what your starting point is. If you opted for the keto diet solely to lose weight, you'll be able to track your progress. But don't become a slave to the scale. The occasional weigh in, perhaps once a week, is enough. What about your favorite meals? Perhaps the very thought of giving up your favorite foods has prevented you from getting started on the keto way of life before. Relax. The truth is, for every dish that you love and can't live without, yes, that includes cheesecake and mashed potatoes, you can easily find a low carb substitute that is just as tasty. First, let's consider items at your market labeled low carbohydrates. Remember, labels are frustratingly deceiving, and you'd have to be a nutritional expert to understand them. All too frequently, off the shelf low carb products have simply substituted sugar for carbs, so don't fall for that bit of deceit. You need to learn to read labels with the diligence that you would read your wealthy uncle's will, but your best bet is to stay away from these products and simply find healthier substitutes. The same goes for anything labeled low fat, which inevitably means added sugars. Craving a taco? Use a lettuce wrap instead of a taco shell. Do you want rice or mashed potatoes? Grate or rice a cauliflower, and you won't be able to tell the difference. Can't give up your favorite pasta dish? Turn a zucchini into zoodles by slicing it or using a spiral cutter and enjoy your pasta. You absolutely have to have your favorite dessert. On the keto diet, you can. Just bake with almond flour and use unsweetened applesauce and or avocado to create some sweet smoothness. Learn about coconut oil, which can be used as a butter substitute in sautéing, frying, and baking. Coconut oil has incredible health benefits, especially for type 2 diabetics. Remember, on the keto diet, you will be able to enjoy all your favorite meals, only better, healthier. Always stay hydrated. The keto diet tends to lower your insulin level, so your kidneys may be exerting more liquid than usual. So be sure to drink plenty of water. Condiments can be the enemy. Don't assume condiments don't count on a diet. On the keto diet, they most certainly do. Ketchup is filled with sugar. Not all salad dressings are equal. Read the label and never opt for the fat free version. They have merely substituted sugar for fat. Ordering salads when eating out is one of your best options, but beware of the dressing that the restaurant serves. Either ask about the ingredients or better, bring your own salad dressing. Don't hesitate to do that. Even in a posh eatery, you can for sure use your own salad dressing. Explain to the server without apologies that you have special dietary needs and will be using your own instead of theirs. Thank you very much. No further explanation is required. Keep track of your ketone level. It's especially important to remain aware of how your body is responding to the keto diet at the start of the diet. You can do so by doing simple urine tests. You can do also purchase a blood ketone meter. Test early in the morning before exercise when you have the opportunity, as during the day your ketone level fluctuate. Friends and family can be annoying, bless their hearts. Those nearest and dearest to you may not always understand what you are doing. When eating as a group, they may put subtle pressure on you to just try a bite, or one slice of cake won't kill you, or worse, but I cooked it specially for you. However, you should stick to your diet. It may help to fill up on keto friendly snacks before you sit down and eat. Enjoy some nuts, an avocado, or just a leg of chicken before you eat, and you will be less tempted. Traveling. Traveling while on a keto diet can be a challenge, so be prepared. Pack a personal blender with some avocados and bananas for a few quick and healthful smoothies. Pack some anchovies or tuna for protein. Eating out. Eating out isn't as difficult as you may think. Even fast food places have salads these days. Any restaurant, stick to meat and vegetables and forego the potatoes and noodles. You can even navigate the tricky maze in a Chinese restaurant. While abstaining from rice, you can enjoy the following: clear soup, steamed fish with vegetables, stir fried dishes, mu shu without wrappers are just a few suggestions. Ask the waiter if your meal can be prepared without the cornstarch that is frequently used as a thickener. Even if you end up in a fast food place that doesn't have salad, simply toss the buns from your burger and just eat the meat. You can do the same at a friend's house or at a barbecue. Exercise. The keto diet will build muscle mass and give you added energy. Don't forget to incorporate exercise into your daily routine. It can be as simple as walking more, taking the stairs, or joining a gym. Now, the most important question comes: how long should you stay on a ketogenic diet? The amount of time spent on the diet can vary and should be discussed with your doctor. Many people who use the ketogenic diet for weight loss remain on the diet for several weeks, maximum few months, until they have achieved the goal. Then they turn to a paleo diet or other maintenance eating.